Confused about how much you should be spending on your social ads? I totally get it. In this video, I'm going to talk all about how you can figure this out so that you don't blow your entire marketing budget on your ads. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe to make sure that you never miss out on a video, and if you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes live. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaz Wilson. I'm really good at paid social ads, and I'm so excited to be making this video for you today because I think people really get confused in their head about exactly how much they should be spending on their ads. So we are going to walk through exactly how much you should be spending and how to know how much you should be spending, because it's important. You don't want to blow your whole marketing budget on your ads, okay? Okay, so when it comes to be thinking about your ad spend, you really want to have in mind the goals that you want to achieve, and then ideally you want to work backwards. So I'm going to jump on my laptop and I'm going to walk you through this because a little bit of math involved, but it's not overly complicated. But this is where you should start to work out exactly how much you should be spending on your ads.
So let's say you are wanting to make $100,000 with your launch, okay? And you had a $2,000 product. So in order to reach this goal with this product, you are going to need to sell 50 of these. Okay, that's the really important number that we need. Now, you now have to think about what is it going to take to get this number. So if we assume that we can convert at 1%, that's the absolute baseline that you can convert, okay? So we'll assume you can convert at 1%. How many people are you going to need to convert at 1% to get your 50? The answer is 5,000 people. Now this is 5,000 people on your list that you can convert at 1%, 5,000 people from a launch. Keep in mind something like a launch or a webinar, you're going to have, if you attract 5,000 people, you're going to have a bit of a drop off, right? So people are going to watch, but not all of them will convert. But if you just think, okay, we're going to have 5,000 people, we're going to convert at 1%. And 1% is the absolute bare minimum, I would say, because ideally we're looking to convert more. Even if you convert the 5,000 at 2%, it's literally going to give you 100 people. So I always like to do 1% because it's kind of what I would say, worst case scenario with this whole thing. So I like to use 1%. If you can convert more at a high range, well then that's just a bonus in my book. Now, so our goal is we need 5,000 people to come through our launch, or to come in our list, or to just be part of our world during this time that we're doing this. So what is it going to take to get the 5,000 people? Now, if we say for something like a launch, worst case scenario, could we convert people at $7 cost per lead? So for each lead, it's going to cost us $7. We would honestly like to do better, and for a lot of cases, when I run ads, I can do better than $7. But again, when we're working this out, we got to think of worst case scenario. So to get the 5,000 people at $7 cost per lead, it's going to cost us $35,000. That is how much we are going to spend to reach our goal of 100,000. Now, in this case, it works, right? You're going to spend this much to earn this much. This is not a bad return on investment. But again, these factors, getting this higher, getting this lower, are going to really see the difference here and earn you more or less money. Now, one thing I'll point out with this, in this scenario, this makes sense and the math makes sense. If this product is like a lower amount, or you're trying to do this sort of thing with a low ticket item, the math won't make sense. You will spend a lot more than you will make. Therefore, it's not as easy to do with a lower ticket item, which I think is why most people, when they sell a lower ticket item, they're selling it organically so that they don't have to deal with this. In order to make this work, you need a much lower cost per lead, and you need much more people, and it depends. This is why you really have to run the maths and work out, okay, what's my goal? How do I gonna get there? How much am I gonna spend? And am I gonna spend less than I'm eventually looking to make? You also have to factor in lots of other things. Is this a good launch? Is this a good product? Is this a product people want? There's no guarantee that you're going to spend this to get these people and that they're all going to convert and buy. So keep that in mind, and But this is a great way to decide how much you're going to spend with your ads and whether or not it's worth it for your launch.
So I want to know, have you ever overspent on your campaigns? Drop a comment in the comments below. I want to hear the story. Let's share, let's learn from each other, and let's figure this out, because it can happen. I would love to know your experience with this. Now, if you're struggling with your marketing, then I invite you to download my really easy to follow marketing checklist. This is going to give you the exact steps to grow your business. It's super simple, no matter what platform, no matter what strategy. Here are some basic things I think you should be doing to organically and with paid ads grow your business, because sometimes it can feel so overwhelming. You think, goodness, what should we be doing today, tomorrow, the next week, the next day? This is really going to help with that. So if you click the link below, you will be able to download a free copy, and I can't wait to see how it helps with your business. I really hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please take time to subscribe and leave a comment below to say what your favorite takeaway about this video was.